Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas DIYs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to hang around by clicking the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this little globe base for the Christmas tree. It's a Dollar Tree Christmas tree. So let's go ahead and get started. So Dollar Tree has a ton of these silver garlandy Christmas trees, and I like them because I'm having the silver and white theme this year. So I wanted to make a base for them, so I'm going to be using the supplies that you see here, and I also am going to be using some tea lights to make the base glow into different colors. So this is the package that the tea light comes in. It has these little crystal gems in it, and it's from the Dollar Tree. And this one changes different colors like red and blue and green, etc. I'm also going to be using some of these crystal gems, the usual gems that the Dollar Tree carries. I have a giant bag of them. So I'm going to be taking the snowflakes, some of them have some glitter on them which I really liked, and just hot gluing it to the globe vase. This is the smaller globe vase that the Dollar Tree carries, and it's perfect for the Christmas tree to sit on top of. And I also wanted to add an additional layer by using the rose petals that the Dollar Tree carries. These ones are the white ones, as you can see. And I'm just going to overlap the snowflakes onto the globe vase. You guys let me know in the comments if you are liking this series and if this is helpful and inspiring for you guys to make your own Christmas decor. I know Christmas decor can be a little bit expensive if you're buying everything, and I think making some of the stuff is a lot easier and it's also customizable. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. So now that I have all the snowflakes and the petals glued onto the vase, I'm going to be adding some of those little gems that I usually use in my DIYs. I get a giant tub of them at Walmart, and there are a bunch of different sizes. I'm trying to pick the same size, and I'm just putting it in the center of the snowflake. On my final snowflake, I'm going to be using a Totally Dazzled brooch. This particular one looked very vintage because it was like a little tarnish, and I rubbed it off a little bit. The Totally Dazzled brooches are usually very shiny and silver. This one is a little bit brownish, which I really like because it kind of gave it like a vintage look. Next, I just added the crystal gems, and then I threw in the 2 tea lights. And they're the twist on, very easily turned on and turned off as needed. And the final piece is to basically add the Christmas tree on top. And I like the petals because I could put the petals at the bottom of the tree, just give it an extra, another layer of color, and have it fluffed out, and then have the snowflakes on the globe itself. And so this is what the final result looks like. And I set it on my desk, and I actually added a nutcracker to my desk, and you've probably seen it in the last thumbnail, and really like the way it's all coming together, the whole arrangement. Love the colors, and this is so simple and easy to make. So I hope you guys are getting inspired throughout the series and you're getting some ideas, whether you do exactly what I did or you do a variation of what I did. Let me know. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do, and tag me if you do try any of these DIYs. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow in my next video. God bless, and bye bye.